everyone, I'm Soujanya Shetty from Computer Science and Engineering branch, and I'm studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachi, Bangalore. So I'm here to present a new idea of the company sign device. So the company sign device, it is a technological device designed to facilitate to communication for individuals who use sign language as their primary means of communication. So it aims to bridge the communication gap between deaf and dumb individual and those who don't know sign language, enabling more inclusive and accessible interaction in various settings. So the materials required are sensors and cameras. So sensors and cameras. So these sensors or cameras capture the hand and the arm movement, facial expression and other components of sign language used by the deaf or dumb person. So the gesture recognition algorithm. So the captured form of the sensors or the cameras is processed through a gesture recognition algorithm that analyze the sign language patterns and then it identifies specific sign and gestures. So then they use processor. So a central processing unit or a microprocessor or the microcontroller processes the data from the sensors and then it runs the gesture recognition algorithm. So then the translation module. So the translated sign language from the gesture recognition algorithm is processed and then through a translation module that it converts the sign language into its corresponding words or sentences. So and then it contains display and output. So the gadget may have a visual display in order to translate the text or the speakers and it contains the earphones to provide audible output for the use, and then it has feedback mechanism. So the device may include a feedback mechanism that allows the user to correct or refine the translation for improved accuracy. And then the device contains battery. So the device requires a power source such a battery. So to operate the sensors, so processing unit and display. And then we have the working of the company sign device. So when a deaf or dumb person signs a word or sentence, the device sensors captures the movements and then the gesture recognition algorithm matches them with pre-learned signs in its database. So once the sign is recognized, the device translates it into corresponding text or speech output, making it accessible for those who don't know the sign language. So here is the prototype of the company sign device. So it contains a strap in order to carry in public, and then it has a camera, and here we can see that it contains a display in order to show the words, and even it has a charging point in order to charge the battery of the device, and it contains a speaker in order to to make it possible to understand for them. And then it has advantages. So it helps deaf and dumb people to easily interact with other people. And then this device can be carried anywhere, which makes the deaf and dumb people to interact with normal people in public. If the device contains advantage, there should be a disadvantages. So the disadvantages of this company sign devices are, it is very expensive, it can display output only in English, and it takes time to recognize the sign and to display the output. Thank you.